You have the hiccups. You got the hiccups. Oh my goodness. How am I supposed to feed you with the hiccups? He's like, I'm hungry. We gotta get rid of those hiccups first. I know, silly hiccups. You're a precious boy. You precious baby. You precious baby with your little toes. Your little talking. You looking at Daddy?
Hi, Grayson. Grayson. Grayson.
It's like, pretty sure I want to eat Daddy, but...
I'm going to get you some Chinese food. And then we can...
Look at him, he's like, actually, I could go for some Chinese food, Daddy.
I know he did. He kind of perked up.
Oh,
He's like, huh?
I would like some of that. That sounds delicious.
Alright, let's do that.